Okay guys, Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and this is most demanding video about buy stop and sell stop trading. So most of the news we trade buy stop and sell stop, and this is the most powerful strategy during the news time. Okay, so let's check how we can place buy stop and sell stop trades. Firstly, as you can see there, we just updated about this zone, and I just selected chart pattern. As you can see the market situation right now, and currently market is moving around that zone. That means I just marked two zone. This is one, that means 26 to 27, and another one is 28 to 29. That means that's two zone. Okay, we will update our proper buy stop sell stop zone, but that's all our primary zone for right now. Okay, so let's have a look how we can trade buy stop or sell stop. You can use your computer, laptop, or you can use your tablet, iPad, or mobile. Same method, just follow my steps. Okay, so as you can see there, we just have trade option in every MetaTrader 4 or 5. You just need to click on trade, and then you can see a button like that one. Okay, plus button. Okay, just click on plus button and you will see that kind of interface on your mobile phone or computer or tablet or something else. I just recording with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra. Okay, so as you can see there, here is mentioned instant execution. So we need to select buy stop or sell stop, which you want to do. Just click on this zone. Just we need to click on, suppose we want to take a buy stop from we want to take buy stop around that zone. That means 2029.338 over here, and we just need to select buy stop over here, and our price. What is our price? So suppose our price is 2029.35 or something else, as you want to, as you want to select or as you want to put. So as usual, you can use TP or SL, but we recommend to stay. Sorry, I just got a call, so let me check again. Click on trade and again select buy stop, and what is our price line? 2029.335 or something else. We don't need to set TP or SL for news time. This is my recommendation. So if it hit our buy stop, then we can easily put our TP or SL. Okay, or if it hit our sell stop, then we need to close it immediately. Okay, so how we can place our sell stop? Suppose where is sell stop, we need to select sell stop. So what is our sell stop position? 2026.015, 2026.015. okay, just we need to click on place. So done. As you can see there, here is our buy stop and sell stop position placed. If you take a look, as you can see there, here is our buy stop and sell stop over here. So when it hit our buy stop, we need to close immediately in our sell stop position. Okay, immediately close, and then you can set your SL around 40 to 60 pips over here. So if it go up, then we can easily win the trade, or if it go down, then it can hit our minus 40 to 60 pips SL. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now. If you have any more query, you can ask me anytime. So that's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.